Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Yesterday we learned this is how to make a simple sentence like this is house, this is a door, this is a star, and we also learned how to make a simple questions and answers like what is this? An answer will be this is house, a star, this is a shirt. And one more question format, which is this? Is this a house? Is this a house? Then answer is yes or no. Yes, this is a house, or no, this is something else. Okay? So we have learned this yesterday. And some of you when you do the answer for this question, right, is this so and so, your answer was just yes or no. Don't just give one word answer even in English. If anyone asks you yes or no question, you continue yes it is so and so, no it is not, or it is something else. So even in Arabic, follow the same, yes this is so and so. If not, no, this is something else. Okay, that is a good habit. But if you answer yes or no, naam, la, which is also correct, but which will not be attractive. Today we are going to learn one more question and answer, which is who is this? Who is this? And we answer, this is a doctor, this is a merchant, this is a student, this is a man. We are going to answer the who is this question with some nouns, okay? And once we learn this question type, right, we are going to revise all three types of questions once again. Okay. Who is this? What is this? We will say ma hada, correct? Ma hada. And is this? Then we just put hamza. Hamzatul istifham. If you put istifham means question. Question hamza. If you put a followed by the nominal sentence, it will become a is this a house something. Who is this? Man hada. Man means who. Man. Who. Hada. Hada. This. Who is this? Ma hada is what is this? Man hada is who is this? Okay. Man hada. Who is this? Man hada. Who is this? Hada tabibun. Tabibun means doctor. Tabibun means doctor. Hada tabibun. Hada tabibun. Ba, then yamadda. Tabibun. Don't short like tabibun. Tabibun. Hada tabibun. Man hada? Who is this? Hada tabibun. This is a doctor. This is a doctor. Then if you look at this picture, man, okay, it's supposed to be man, okay? It will be like this. Man Man hada. Who is this? Man hada. Who is this? Hada waladun. Waladun means boy. Waladun means boy. Man hada. Hada waladun. Waladun means boy. Then next one. Man hada. Who is this? Hada twalibun. Hada twalibun. Twalibun means a student. Twalibun means a student. Okay. This picture is actually a student. Hada twalibun. Twalibun means a student. Man hada. Who is this? Hada twalibun. Hada twalibun. This is a student. Okay, now. Hada waladun. Hada waladun means this is a boy. Correct? If you put Hamzatul Istifham, hada means is this a boy? Hada waladun. Is this a boy? La. No. Hada rajulun. Hada rajulun. You see here, don't just answer no and yes. Followed by your answer should be yes, this is so and so. No, this is so and so. No. Hada rajulun. This is a man. Rajulun means a man. Rajulun is a man. So 5 new vocabularies we learned in this section. One is man. Man means who. Man means who. Second, twabibun. Twabibun. Twabibun means a doctor. Waladun. Third one. Third vocabulary is waladun. Waladun means a boy. A boy. Then twalibun. Twalibun is a student. Student. Finally, rajulun. Rajulun is a man. Rajulun is a man. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new words we learned in this section. Man, who, tabibun, doctor, baladun, a boy. Always say a boy, okay? A doctor, a student, a man. Talibun, student. Talibun. Don't say talibun, okay? It's a twa. It is a twa. Talibun, a student. Rajulun. Rajulun, a man. Okay? Shall we read together? When we read, right, you read loudly, okay? Don't just read within your mouth. Right? Read loudly. So, which will give you a practice to your tongue. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Man hadha. Let's read together, okay? Man hadha. Who is this? Who is this? Man hadha. Who is this? Hadha tabibun. Hadha tabibun. This is a doctor. Who is this? This is a doctor. Man hadha. Who is this? Hadha waladun. Hadha waladun. This is a boy. This is a boy. Man hadha. Who is this? Hadha twalibun. Hada talibun. This is a student. This is a student. Ahada waladun. Ahada waladun. Is this a boy? Is this a boy? La. Hada rajulun. No, this is a man. La. No, this is a man. Hada rajulun. Let's read once again. Only Arabic text, okay? No need to say the English translation. Man hada. Man hada. Hada wa tabibun. Hada tabibun. Man hada. Hada waladun. Man hada. Hada talibun. Hada talibun. Ahada waladun. Ahada waladun. La. Hada rajulun. I hope when we read the Arabic text, the meaning we can understand the meaning of the Arabic text, correct? If any of you couldn't able to understand any specific word, just put an underline, then later you can practice it, okay? Okay, next we go to the next page. This page we are going to practice all these questions, okay? What is this? Is this? Who is this? We are going to practice these 3 question and answer in this page, okay? Ma hada. What is this? What is this? Hada masjidun. Hada masjidun. Hada masjidun. Ma hada. Hada masjidun. Next. Man hada. Man hada. Who is this? This is supposed to be like this, okay? Man hada. Who is this? Hada tajirun. Tajirun is a merchant or businessman. Okay, we can translate it as a merchant or a businessman. Hada tajirun. This is ta. Okay. Talibun, student is ta. Businessman is ta. Tajirun. Student is talibun. Ta. Merchant or businessman. Tajirun. Tajirun. Ma hada. What is this? Hada masjidun. This is a masjid, mosque. Man hada. Who is this? Hada tajirun. Tajirun is a new word. This is a businessman. This is a merchant. Hada kalbun. This is a dog. Kalbun is a dog. Make sure when you say kalbun, you should say kaf, okay? If you say qalbun, it will become a heart. If you say qalbun, which is heart. I have a heart means qalbun. If you translate it to kalbun, then the meaning will be differ. I have a kalbun means I have a dog. No. So when you read the Arabic text, the pronunciation should be very clear. Kalbun, heart. Kalbun is a dog. Hada kalbun. This is a dog. Next. Hada kalbun. Kalbun, just now we learned. Dog. Hada kalbun is this is a dog. Hada kalbun. Alif Hamza is Hamzatul istifham. Hamzatul istifham. Integration Hamza. Question mark Hamza. Okay. Ahada kalbun. Is this a dog? No. This is a cat. La. Hada qittun. No, this is a cat. La. Hada qittun. Qittun is a cat. A cat. So word is qaf, ta. Okay. Not kaf. It's a qaf, ta, and there is a shadda here. Shadda. Qittun. Okay. Don't treat as a kittun. Qittun. Qaf, shadda, ta. Qittun. La. Hada qittun. No, this is a cat. Okay, next. Hada himarun. Himarun means a donkey. A donkey. Hada himarun. This is a donkey. Hada himarun. This is a donkey. Hada himarun. Hada himarun. This is a donkey. If you put Hamza, Hamzatul istifham, then is this a donkey? Ahada himarun. Ahada himarun. Is this a donkey? No, this is a horse. This is a horse. La. Hada hisanun. Hada hisanun. Hisanun means horse. La. Hada hisanun. No, this is a horse. وَمَا هَذَا وَمَا هَذَا. We have already learned mahada. What is this? Right? Then what is wa? Wa means and. And what is this? And what is this? وَمَا هَذَا وَمَا هَذَا. Wama hada means and what is this? So if you say mahada, you translate it as a what is this? If you see wama hada, then and what is this? Okay. And what is this? Hada jamalun. Hada jamalun. Jamalun means a camel. Okay. Camel. Hada jamalun. This is a camel. So in this page, we learn tajirun. Tajirun is a new word. It's a businessman or merchant. Kalbun is a second vocabulary in this page. A dog. I have given another clue. Kalbun means heart. Okay. Kalbun means a dog. Qalbun means a heart. Then third vocabulary, qittun. Qittun is a cat. Qittun means a cat. Fourth new word, himarun. Himarun means a donkey. A donkey. Fifth, hisanun. Hisanun. Horse. A horse. Sixth, jamalun. Jamalun is a camel. So we have learned 6 new words in this page, and this page we have learned 5. So total 11 new words we have learned today. Okay, 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And page number 10. 10 you see 1 dot. You can see the numbering also, page numbering. Already shown you. 9 is a 10, page number 10. 1, how to write the 1, 2, 3 in Arabic. I will go through once again. A sliding line, slightly sliding 1. Then 2 is a sliding line. Then one small arc, curve, right hand side. 2. 3 is 2 curves, 2 arc, right hand side, okay, right hand side. 4, you put like this, okay, it's a new. 5, I told you yesterday, put the heart in, heart shape, right, heart shape, upside down. Heart shape will be like this, right? Then you put upside down, okay. 5. 6 will be similar to 2, but the curve should go behind left hand side. Curve should go left hand side. 2 is a right hand side. 6. 7 can be a V, or you put upside down 7. Our normal 7, right? 7, 8, 7. You put upside down, which will be a 7 in Arabic. You can write 2 types. V also 7. If you put V upside down, it is 8. 9 is 9. Normal 9. 10, 1, 0 in Arabic is a dot. A dot. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is a new word. The rest, everything, I think you can almost understand. 5 is just heart shape, but you put upside down. 5. 6 is 2, but for 2, the curve should go right hand side. For 6, the curve, the arc should go left hand side. 7, V. 8, you should write the V upside down. 9 is 9, 10 is 1, 0, okay? Let's see how we can identify in this page, okay? Okay, this page start from number 5 because 1 to 3 has the introduction of this. 5, actually it will be like this, 5, okay? 6 will be, you see, a curve should go left hand side. 6. 7, you can put V. 7. If you put V upside down, it is a 8. 9 is a 9. 9 is a just 9. 10, we write 1 and 0 is dot. 10. Okay. Okay, let's go to page 11. Here we have 2 more exercise. Then we go to exercises. Okay. Ma hada, what is this? Ma hada, what is this? Hada dikun. Hada dikun. Dikun means a rooster. A rooster. Okay. Not hen, huh? A rooster. Dikun. A rooster. Ma hada. Hada dikun. This is a rooster. Man hada. Who is this? Man hada. Who is this? Hada mudarrisun. Mudarrisun means a teacher. New word. Dikun, mudarrisun. In the first page, page number 9, we have learned 5 new words. Then page number 10, we learned 6 more, 11. This is 12, 13, and 1 more we will learn. Mindilun. Mindilun means a handkerchief. Mindilun. Mindilun. Mindilun means handkerchief. 12, 13, 14. Okay. So 14 new words we have learned today. Ma hada, what is this? Hada dikun. Hada dikun. This is a rooster. This is a rooster. Man hada. Who is this? Man hada. Who is this? Hada mudarrisun. Okay. If you see shadda above sign right haraka, that means this is fataha. If you see shadda, then below the haraka means kasra. So this is mudarrisun. If you write above, then mudarrasun. But here the haraka is below the shadda, right? So below the shadda, we have to read as a re. Mudarrisun. Mudarrisun. Don't read it, okay. This is fataha mudarrasun because it is above the ra. No. This is also one type of writing. Usually kasra will come here, right? But this is also one type of writing. If you put kasra behind the shadda means it is re, kasra. Hada mudarrisun. This is a teacher. This is a teacher. Next one. Ahada qamisun. Qamisun we have already learned. Shirt. Correct? Yesterday we have learned. Qamisun means shirt. Ahada qamisun. Is this a shirt? La hada mindilun. La hada mindilun. No, this is a handkerchief. This is a handkerchief. Tissue paper also we can say mindilun. Tissue paper also we can say mindilun. But here is a handkerchief. Okay. La hada mindilun. This is a handkerchief. Does it? Lesson 1 is completed. We have few questions. Tamrinun. Tamrinun. Exercises. Before that, I think we can read once again together and we will take 5 minutes break. After that, we go to the exercises of lesson 1. Okay. Let's read together. This one we already learned, right? Read. Okay. Ma hada. Ma hada. What is this? Hada masjidun. Hada masjidun. This is a mosque. Man hada. Who is this? Read together, okay? Hada tajirun. Hada tajirun. This is a merchant. Hada kalbun. Hada kalbun. This is a dog. Ahada kalbun. Is this a dog? La hada qittun. No, this is a cat. You see, here the haraka is above the shadda. Hada himarun. This is a donkey. Ahada himarun. Is this a donkey? La hada hisanun. No, this is a horse. Wama hada. And what is this? Hada jamalun. This is a camel. This is a camel. Ma hada. What is this? Hada dikun. Hada dikun. This is a rooster. Man hada. Who is this? Hada mudarrisun. Hada mudarrisun. This is a teacher. Ahada qamisun. Ahada qamisun. Is this a shirt? La hada mindilun. No, this is a handkerchief. Okay, let's have tamrinun. Tamrinun means exercise. Tamrinun. Tamri Tamreenun, exercise. Okay, this box, right, is just giving information like Dhammatain you can put like this, and also you can write like this. Both are same. That's what they are given a note in the box. For Dhammatain, you can write like this or the two Dhamma like this. So both are same. Dhammatain. Okay. Tamreenun, exercise. Iqra waktub. Iqra, read. We know, right, the first surah, Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq, revealed to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The first ayah is Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq. Iqra means read. Waktub. Waktub means write. Wa, today we have learned wa. Wa means and. Read and write. Read and write. This Hamza is Hamzatul Wasl. So you can skip it. Waktub. Iqra waktub. Read and write. Ma hadha? Hadha qalamun. Ma hadha? Hadha qalamun. This is a pen. What is this? This is a pen. Second one. Hadha kalbun. Hadha kalbun. This is a dog. This is a dog. Third. Man hadha? Who is this? Hadha tabibun. The tabibun, a doctor. Today we have learned a new word, right? Tabibun, a doctor. Man hadha? Who is this? Hadha tabibun. This is a doctor. Hadha jamalun. Hadha jamalun. This is a camel. This is a camel. Number 5. Ahadha kalbun. Ahadha kalbun. Is this a dog? La hadha qittun. La hadha qittun. It's supposed to be shadda and dhammatain. Qittun. Ahadha kalbun. Is this a dog? La hadha qittun. No, this is a dog. Sorry, this is a cat. Ahadha dikun. Dikun, rooster. Right? Is this a rooster? Naam, yes. Ahadha hisanun. Hisanun, horse. Is this a horse? La hadha himarun. No, this is a donkey. Himarun, donkey. Ahadha hisanun. Is this a horse? La hadha himarun. No, this is a donkey. Hadha mindilun. Hadha mindilun. This is a handkerchief. This is a handkerchief. Ahadha waladun. Ahadha waladun. Is this a boy? Is this a boy? Naam, yes. Man hadha. Man hadha. Who is this? Man hadha. Who is this? Hadha rajulun. Hadha rajulun. Rajulun is a man. This is a man. Let's read together. Tamreenun, exercise. Iqra waktub. Iqra waktub. Read and write. Ma hadha. What is this? Hadha qalamun. Hadha qalamun. This is a pen. Hadha kalbun. This is a dog. Man hadha? Who is this? هذا طبيب. This is a doctor. هذا جمل. This is a camel. أهذا كلب. Is this a dog? لا هذا قط. No, this is a cat. هذا ديك. Is this a rooster? نعم. Yes. أهذا حصان. Is this a horse? لا هذا حمار. No, this is a donkey. هذا منديل. This is a handkerchief. أهذا ولد. أهذا ولد. Is this a boy? نعم. Yes. من هذا? Who is this? هذا رجل. This is a man. Okay. That's it. We have completed lesson 1. Before we go to lesson 2, let's revise one more time lesson 1 because we are a beginning stage. No need to rush up. If you have any feedback, you can feel free to put it in the chat. Even during the class, if you have any doubt, you can put in the chat. Okay, we have a chat, right? You can, if you have any doubts, you can put. Even after the class, you can raise your questions in the WhatsApp group. Okay, let's revise lesson 1. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's read together, okay? Again, the same word I'm saying. When you read, read loudly. Don't care who is around you, near you. Just read loudly. Ad-Darsul Awwal, first lesson. Ad-Darsul Awwal, first lesson. Hada. Hada means this. Hada Baitun. This is a house. Hada Masjidun. This is a mosque. Hada Babun. Hada Babun. This is a door. Hada Kitabun. This is a book. Hada Qalamun. This is a pen. Hada Miftahun. This is a key. Hada Maktabun. This is a table. Hada Sarirun. This is a bed. Hada Kursiyun. This is a chair. Then second page. Mahada. What is this? Mahada. What is this? Mahada. What is this? Hada Baitun. Hada Baitun. This is a house. Ahada Baitun. Is this a house? Naam. Hada Baitun. Yes, this is a house. Mahada. What is this? Hada Qamisun. Hada Qamisun. This is a shirt. Ahada Sarirun. Is this a bed? La. Hada Kursiyun. No, this is a chair. Ahada Miftahun. Ahada Miftahun. Is this a key? La. Hada Qalamun. No, this is a pen. Mahada. What is this? Hada Najmun. This is a star. This is a star. Tamrinun. 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 ما هذا? What is this? هذا مفتاح. This is a key. ما هذا? What is this? هذا كتاب. This is a book. ما هذا? What is this? هذا قلم. This is a pen. ما هذا? What is this? هذا باب. This is a door. ما هذا? What is this? هذا بيت. This is a house. ما هذا? What is this? هذا كرسي. This is a chair. تمرين 2. See 2. تمرين 2. أهذا بيت? Is this a house? لا, هذا مسجد. No, this is a masjid. أهذا مفتاح? Is this a key? لا, هذا قلم. No, this is a pen. أهذا قميص? Is this a shirt? نعم, هذا قميص. Yes, this is a shirt. أهذا نجم? Is this a star? نعم, هذا نجم. Yes, this is a star. تمرين 3. تمرين 3. Exercise 3. اقرأ واكتب. Read and write. اقرأ واكتب. Read and write. هذا مكتب. This is a table. هذا مسجد. This is a mosque. هذا قلم. هذا قلم. This is a pen. هذا سرير. This is a chair. This is a bed. سرير, bed. This is a bed. ما هذا? What is this? In Arabic, there is no translation, direct translation for is, was, where. There is no translation for is, was, where. ما هذا? What is this? هذا كرسي. This is a chair. أهذا بيت? Is this a house? لا, هذا مسجد. No, this is a mosque. ما هذا? What is this? هذا مفتاح. هذا مفتاح. This is a key. من هذا? من هذا? Who is this? من هذا? Who is this? من هذا? Who is this? هذا طبيب. هذا طبيب. This is a doctor. This is a doctor. من هذا? Who is this? هذا ولد. هذا ولد. This is a boy. من هذا? Who is this? هذا طالب. هذا طالب. This is a student. أهذا ولد? Is this a boy? أهذا ولد? Is this a boy? لا, هذا رجل. لا, هذا رجل. No, this is a man. No, this is a man. ما هذا? What is this? هذا مسجد. هذا مسجد. من هذا? Who is this? هذا تاجر. هذا تاجر. This is a merchant, or this is a businessman. هذا كلب. هذا كلب. This is a dog. أهذا كلب? Is this a dog? لا, هذا قط. La. Hada qittun. No, this is a cat. Hada himarun. Hada himarun. This is a donkey. Hada himarun. This is a donkey. Hada himarun. Hada himarun. Is this a donkey? La. Hada hisanun. No, this is a horse. This is a horse. Wama hada. And what is this? Wama hada. And what is this? Hada jamalun. Hada jamalun. This is a camel. Jamalun means camel. Ma hada. What is this? Hada dikun. Hada dikun. This is a rooster. This is a rooster. Man hada. Who is this? Man hada. Who is this? Hada mudarrisun. Hada mudarrisun. This is a teacher. This is a teacher. Ahada qamisun. Ahada qamisun. Is this a shirt? La hada mindilun. La hada mindilun. No, this is a handkerchief. No, this is a handkerchief. Tamrinun. Tamrinun, exercise. Iqra waktub. Iqra waktub. Read and write. Ma hada. What is this? Hada qalamun. This is a pen. Ma hada. Hada qalamun. What is this? This is a pen. Hada kalbun. Hada kalbun. This is a dog. Man hada. Hada tabibun. Man hada. Hada tabibun. Who is this? This is a doctor. Hada jamalun. Hada jamalun. This is a camel. Ahada kalbun. Is this a dog? La. Hada qittun. No, this is a cat. Ahada kalbun. La. Hada qittun. Is this a dog? No, this is a cat. Ahada dikun. Naam. Ahada dikun. Naam. Is this a rooster? Yes. Ahada hisanun. La. Hada himarun. Ahada hisanun. La. Hada himarun. Is this a horse? No, this is a donkey. No, this is a donkey. Hada mindilun. Hada mindilun. This is a handkerchief. Ahada waladun. Ahada waladun. Is this a boy? Naam. Yes. Ahada waladun. Is this a boy? Naam. Yes. Man hada. Who is this? Hada rajulun. Who is this? Hada rajulun. So, in this lesson, we have learned how to make a simple sentence in Arabic, like this is a so-and-so, right? Then second concept, we learned what is this? What is this? And answer, this is so-and-so. Third concept we have learned is this. Then answer it yes or no. Yes or no, this is so and so. Okay. And lastly, we have learned who is this? Who is this? Then answer it. This is a merchant, doctor, student. Okay. And a nominal sentence. A nominal sentence. This is a book means this is a book. Means this means subject, correct? In Arabic, in English. A book is a predicate. Predicate. In Arabic, we will say mubtada. Subject is mubtadaun. Hamza. Mubtada. Mubtadaun. Mubtadaun. Predicate is khabar. Predicate is khabarun. Okay. So these are the concepts we have learned. Lesson 1. This is a book, store, and then second concept. What is this? An answer. What means ma hada? And hada kalbun, hada kamisun. Third concept is this a horse? Is this a camel? Then answer naam, la, hada, whatever it is. Then fourth, who is this? Man hada, who? Man hada. Hada tabibun, hada waladun, hada talibun. Then grammatically, this is a book means in English, this is subject, a book is a predicate. In Arabic, we will say subject means mubtadaun. Mubtadaun, khabar. So, hada means mubtada grammatically. Mindilun is a khabar. Hada mindilun. This is a handkerchief. Hada is mubtada. Mubtadaun. Mindilun is a khabar. Khabar means predicate. A subject, information about the subject. Correct? So this is what we have learned in lesson 1. Lesson 2, almost similar, but small change. What is the small change? This is a, where do you use the this to point something which is nearby you, correct? To point something which is nearer, correct? Lesson 2, we will learn that. Lesson 2, we will learn that. That is to point something which is distant, correct? Something which is far or distance, distant. So lesson 1, we learned a concept. This, correct? Lesson 2, inshallah, we will learn that. That means that is a book, that is a donkey, that is a horse, everything we will learn in the lesson 2, inshallah. Jazakumullah khairan kasira.